Hi, my name is Janek, and if you ever use a seamless background like this one, this little accessory from Savage will make your life a little bit easier, save you money, and you can also use it as a lightsaber. Okay, so what is it? So this is a leader bar from Savage, and this piece of aluminum, this bar, is basically to attach to the bottom of your seamless background. Why would you use it? Well, there are a few reasons why this is a cool accessory for your seamless background. This adds weight evenly across your whole background, so it will prevent any warps, any bubbles on the paper because it adds the weight to the bottom. The paper, when you roll it down, will not be rolled like normally if you do it without any clamps. And also because it's a solid bar and it puts weight evenly, it will not cause any tear of your paper in the bottom because it's just a solid bar. So that will save you money because your backgrounds will last a little bit longer. So these bars actually come in different widths. We are using 54 inches right now, and this is the 54-inch white seamless that we have here. When you buy this bar, you have two options. You can buy a single one, which will come with a seamless background, or you can buy a pack of 3, and then it doesn't come with a background. So that's the choice that you have. We use mainly for headshots the seamless. This is the majority of the portion that we shoot, so that's why a 53-inch or 54 inch is actually perfect for us. For any longer ones, I would recommend that you get a help from somebody else to put it together on the paper, which I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so let's see what it is really. So these are basically 2 pieces of aluminum, and then you open from the side like this. And you have this rubberized, so kind of like a foam rubber inside that keeps the paper secure once you close it. And basically this is right now open. It has those hinges inside, so it stays open. And when you're ready to close it, you just snap it. It makes this cool noise, and it's all set. I would recommend to do it from the side, to open it from the side like I did, versus trying it from the center. It just makes it easier. Okay, so let's try to put it on this paper. We have a 53-inch paper here. I'm gonna move it a tiny bit here. Okay, I'm gonna move the paper a little bit more so that I'm in the frame. Actually, I'm gonna make the wider. Okay, so let's put this leader bar on the paper. So normally I would recommend to do it on the floor, but because it's easier for the video, I'm gonna do it on the paper hanging here. And this is a 53-inch, so it's gonna be easier to do it hanging. If you have a much wider paper, I would definitely not recommend this system because it's gonna be much, much harder. Okay, so you just align it, the paper, so to make it inside. Once you see that this is aligned properly within the leader bar, just snap it, and that's it. And you see that now the paper is already has some weight, so the paper doesn't roll. So when I'm gonna roll it down, it's just beautifully rolled down without any curvature in the bottom, and basically the paper has nice weight. So if you have any questions about this little accessory, let me know. They have, as I mentioned before, they come in different widths. Believe the single one with the paper, it's around $50, so it's actually pretty nicely priced. I would recommend that you keep it on the paper that you already have. For the wider ones, I would definitely keep the bar on the paper because it's much harder to put the wider ones on the paper as alone. So you have somebody, you need some help to put it on the paper. So for the wider ones, keep it on. For the narrow ones, you can just keep it on and off, or you can just have it on all the time and just buy the set of 3 for your papers. If you have any questions about this accessory or you have some other uses, please leave a comment below. I also forgot to mention that this bar, this leader bar, it's not only for the paper seamless background, but you can also use it on the vinyl or cloth. So basically it's pretty universal, in terms of what background you can attach it to. As long as there's a clean edge, you can snap it and it's gonna, bring it down very nicely. So till the next video, thanks so much for watching and see ya.